What's up and good morning everyone, welcome back to the Resurrected Diesel channel. Today we are heading out to Daytona Truck Meet in Daytona, Florida. So we have Burton's truck loaded up and we're getting everything packed on the trailer, get my truck warming up. We're just waiting for him to show up. Who knows where he is, but girls are out getting coffee and then we're just loading up the trailer, the truck, all that stuff. Sorry, it's super bright out. And we're gonna hit the road. Daytona is about 5 hours from us here in Panama City Beach. So we should get there around noon, do all our check-in stuff for the show, and then get to our Airbnb. And then we have more stuff to do tomorrow, so load in all that stuff. So hopefully we get there in a reasonable amount of time, and it's seeming like we're leaving later than we thought, but it is what it is. So yeah, we'll catch up with you guys when we're all loaded up and on the road. So there's probably gonna be super music noise and all that stuff, but we've finally made it to Daytona. We're set up, we got the booth all good, the Mile High truck, we got Dalton's General Lee Max set up here. We're gonna roll this into a couple different videos so it's not super long, but we have made the trip to Daytona. We somehow yesterday got into the wrong side of the speedway. We were driving on the actual speedway. We got a little bit of trouble for that, but it really wasn't that bad. So we didn't go to jail, we're in the vendor and we're good. So that's all that really matters. But if you guys are here, you know, make sure to come say hi, come get a sticker or something like that, and then we'll see you in the next video. So that's gonna do it, guys. We'll catch you later. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you later. I'm out.